Hi team, Ryan from Hirepool here, and today we're looking at our latest range of concrete surface preparation tools available now from Hirepool. We have our latest concrete grinder, which is good for general grinding, glue and coating removal, general humps and bumps, and works well as a concrete edger, able to get within 2mm from the edges. And our H-Class Husqvarna dry concrete vac, which is best used for on-tool dust extraction when cutting, blasting or scarifying, and grinding concrete, plaster or other applications where harmful dust is produced. So let's go take a look. Let's start with the concrete floor grinder. This unit weighs about 62 kgs and can easily be transported in any standard utility vehicle. The handle folds down for transportation, and when you come into your local Hirepool, we'll be sure to load it for you. It has a few notable features, including non-marking wheels, an emergency stop button, and an HVA meter which shows current voltage to ensure optimal performance is achieved. Sometimes a heavier duty lead or generator may be required. The grinder has an auto axle height mechanism which allows you to get an even grind. To use the grinder is simple. Connect to a heavy duty extension lead, set up on the area you want to pass over and switch on. A quick change on the axle settings and installation of the provided edging shroud allows you to change from normal grinding to edging. If you've got a lot of ground to cover, the team at Hirepool can provide you with an extra blade for the grinder, including advice for the best type of blade for your application. To change the blade, use the onboard spanner to remove the single nut fastener. Install the new blade and refasten the nut. Safety. When using this grinder, make sure you've got the appropriate safety gear. This means ear and eye protection and a rated respirator mask, which can be purchased from Hirepool, as well as sturdy covered shoes. Now, while you're working on your concrete grinding mission, it's important to clean up all that concrete dust and debris using our new Husqvarna H-Class Vac. This unit is equipped with two HEPA H13 filters, jet pulse pre-cleaning, and a flow meter for precise filter management and control. This means your vac is less likely to trap dust or get clogged during use. The longer pack bag system ensures simple, dust-free bag changes and waste disposal. And if you're looking to hire for a big job, your local Hirepool branch can provide you with extra bags. It's lightweight and easy to carry through the site, or can simply be wheeled from job to job. This vacuum is simple to use. Use a separate heavy-duty extension lead if required, connected to a different outlet to the tool being used. Connect the vac hose to the dust extraction port on the tool. Start the vac prior to starting the tool being used. Keep an eye on the vacuum indicator. If it enters the red, then the filters need to be purged, which is easy to do following the instructions in the operator's menu. This can be found on our website or by scanning the QR code found on the green tag. If you're interested in hiring either one of our concrete grinders or dust collecting vacuums, go online to hirepool.co.nz or call your local branch to check availability.
Hirepool, the smarter hire.